Hi, my name's Scott. I just want to take a few minutes to show you how these security cables work and just what makes them so different. The Guardian Series cables actually have two different lock styles. The 810 lock style that's normally used on desktops, which I'll show you in a minute, and the 820 lock style that has the built-in scissor clip that's normally used on laptops. Let's start with the laptop. At first it looks like any other laptop cable out there, and in fact you can use it just like any other. Tie it around something, secure it to a desk, put it into the built-in security slot that's on the laptop. It's usually on the back or on the side of the laptop. Press the button and you're secured. Take the key, unlock it, turn the key to the right to take it out of the laptop to unlock it. There is, however, one really cool extra feature to this one. If you turn the key to the left instead, you can actually take the lock head off the cable. This actually makes it a completely universal laptop or desktop cable, because you can then use scissor clips or glue-on attachments on other equipment to run the cable through and lock the cable head back on. It also makes it a little more convenient to find places on a desk to help you lock it down to, because you can fit the cable through a smaller hole in the desk to tie it down. Even though the 820 lock style is great for desktops as well, if you don't need the convenience of the built-in scissor clip, the 810 lock style is less expensive. Now, there are several ways to attach the cable down to a desk. You can take the cable, wrap it around the table leg, put it through the loop, and it's attached to the desk. Obviously, you got to make sure that you can't just slide that down to the floor and take it off. There has to be a crossbar of some sort to make that work. If there isn't anything to wrap it around, you can use the glue-on attachments to the desk to give you an anchor point. But normally, there's a data hole of some type, and you're running the cable down through the data hole through itself, and now you're attached to the desk. You can actually not even have to wrap it around anything if you attach the cable to the CPU, go down through the data hole, and then attach it to the monitor. Now you've got one big object on either side of the cable that can't fit through the hole. But normally, like I said, it's just going through the data hole like this. Now, as far as the CPUs, a lot of them actually have a built-in hole that the cable runs right through to attach it to. There are also built-in security slots. They can be in different places, down low, up on top, where you can put the scissor clip into that security slot. You open the scissor clip up so that it fits in the security slot, close the scissor clip, and the cable goes through the hole that it forms. So you can attach multiple pieces of equipment with the security slots, or if it doesn't have either of those options, you can put the glue-on attachment on the computer and run the cable through there. Attaching it to the monitor, they usually have a security slot built into the monitor as well for the scissor clip. Put the cable through that scissor clip and lock the 810 lock style onto the end of the cable, and it's secure. There's actually one last way you can attach it to the monitor. If the monitor has a hole through the base of it, like this one does, you can take the security cable, and there is a hole in the bottom of the lock that you can run the security cable through that hole, so it's attached to the lock. Go through the hole in the monitor base, and then snap it into the lock. So you've just formed a loop on this end of the cable to loop it down. You have to make sure that it's the type that the monitor doesn't detach from the stand with the press of a button, and some of them do. Now keep in mind, I said the 810 lock style is less expensive than the 820. So for your laptops, if you don't need the convenience of the built-in scissor clip on the 820 style, you can use the 810 lock style by putting the scissor clip into the security slot on the laptop, running the cable through the hole in the scissor clip, and snapping the lock head onto the end of the cable. Now, if you do go with the 820 lock style instead with the built-in scissor clip, keep in mind you don't have to worry about losing the little scissor clip when it's not locked down. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us through our website at computersecurity.com. Have a good day.